I'd like to welcome everyone to Finance Week here in New York. There's a dire need for investment in infrastructure. That's beyond roads, that's beyond bridges, that's beyond trains. The question is, how do you do it on time, on budget? That's the challenge. You need people who have done it before. Siemens has done it on a global stage.
The infrastructures we build out have to be, just like agriculture, regionally diverse, circular, resilient, and they have to be very mobile to change at a moment's notice.
$57 trillion are needed in city infrastructure investment between now and 2030. $510 billion in the US alone. And that has to be spent in a way that saves the energy, reduces pollution, and also creates the right type of jobs to support the innovation.
I think also increasingly, people like ourselves are engaged much earlier in their project to try and shape the project so that it actually becomes financially bankable. So there are a lot more things that we need to do to be responsive to that.
We have achieved certain technological successes. We are on the verge of finance and economic successes, but those presuppose something about legal infrastructure which doesn't hold today.
There's enough infrastructure projects there to keep all of us busy for the next 20 years on all of the traditional big train lines, development projects, etc. Companies like Siemens and our board members is helpful for creating that private sector infrastructure that can try to move these along.
From complex projects like bridges to smaller water plants in Texas, financing finds good projects. Siemens has always been committed to using its balance sheet to support these infrastructure projects. It's what we do.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.